My name is Ono.Kayode Idowu.
So you must have casted your vote this morning. What was your observation?
AKKID. Yeah.
AKKID. You must have casted your vote this morning, sir. You must have walked around the What's your observation?
Yeah, my observation in this election has been very peaceful, very organized. So we give thanks to the security agent and the INEC itself. So they've actually, it's well organized. As far as I'm concerned, there's no itches in this election, and I hope my party will be victory in this election, which is ABC. That's Governor Dapo Abiodun. DA. And I know that it's very competitive because my governor has done so well, and he has actually spread his wings to all the geopolitical zones, and we're willing to do more. By the time we're giving it another advantage, another opportunity. So I thank the people of Giwa and their whole people for casting the vote for APC.
I was about asking you your view about the turnout of the people. Were you comfortable or were you okay with the turnout?
Yeah, actually, I'm not really comfortable with the turnout, but I still believe people will still come out to vote. You know, a lot of rumor that there's going to be fight, there's going to be violence and all that. So people were really cautious coming out to vote. So now they are getting the information, seeing that everything is going on peacefully. So I believe that people will check their mind and still come out to vote. So even though the turnout has been very low to me, because always I've witnessed several elections and see people will show out to vote. So I hope people will still come out, and I believe Governor Dapo Abiodun, the principal, will come out victorious in the mighty name of Jesus.
What will be your comment on INEC preparation compared to the last election? Are they more organized?
They are more organized this governorship election compared to the presidential. So I think we should give INEC maybe by the next election they will improve more. Obviously, we just adopt this technology of IV, or what do you call it? Beavers, yeah. So, and I think we are improving. So, and this election has actually shown that we've actually improved, and I believe with time we will get where we should be. So, anyway, I thank INEC for this election because so far it's peaceful and the beavers have been working very well. I've not heard any complaint as far as I'm concerned in this my own Yewa South. Generally, all the wards I've visited some of these units and everything has been going on peacefully. And I believe that the election will end peacefully in Jesus' name. So I thank everybody. I thank the security agents, everybody, the press, the electorate, everybody. Thank you.
You mentioned that I will ask you again. You mentioned that you are expecting something. So what's your expectation? You have mentioned it earlier. Or what? I want you to amend it.
Yeah, my expectation is for my governor to come victorious. Governor Dapo Abiodun, which I believe by evening we will be celebrating at the government house.